September is National Sickle Cell Awareness Month. Approximately 100,000 Americans live with sickle cell disease, a chronic condition that causes the red blood cells to harden and form a sickle shape. This sickling causes severe and unpredictable pain, intense fatigue, frequent infections, and more. We are proud to stand with the Sickle Cell Disease Association of America this month and push for better treatments, education, and outcomes for sickle cell warriors. Learn more at sicklecelldisease.org. On this day of remembrance, we honor the lives lost and the heroes who served on September 11, 2001. As we reflect, it's also a reminder of the importance of resilience, in our communities, in our health, and in the systems that protect us. Preparedness is a way we can honor that legacy, making sure our families have plans, checking in on loved ones, and taking steps to stay healthy and strong. Today, we remember, and we recommit to building a healthier, safer Delaware together.